How to restore a board on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can restore a board on Pinterest. If you have previously archived a board and want to bring it back, follow this step. First of all, open your Pinterest application on your mobile device. Once on the home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen to access the board section. Here, if not selected already, choose boards. Look for the archived board. Click on the board you wish to restore. At the top, you will find 3 dots. Tap on them to reveal a menu. In this menu, you will find Unarchived Board option. Select it and confirm it by selecting Unarchive. By confirming the unarchiving process, you successfully restore the board, making it visible on your profile again. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.